Welcome, fellow adventurers. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the vibrant streets of London without breaking the bank, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to share how you can experience the wonders of this incredible city with just £5.25. Yes, you heard that right, £5.25. First things first, let's talk about the iconic Oyster card. For just a small fee, you can load it with credit and enjoy unlimited travel on buses and the tube throughout London. One-day bus and tram pass cost £5.25. Validity: unlimited travel on London buses and trams from 4:30 a.m. to until 4:29 a.m. the next day. Purchase: available at all Underground station or Oyster ticket stops, newsagents and Transport for London TfL visitor centres. Important: this pass is only valid on buses and trams. It is not valid for the Underground, DLR, or National Rail services. You can use mobile payment to pay as you go. Is the same as using a contactless card. This means you can hop on and off as you please, discovering hidden gems and famous landmarks alike. Imagine gliding through the city, from the historic Tower of London to the bustling markets of Camden, all while keeping your budget intact. Now, let's not forget about the beauty of walking. London is a city best explored on foot, and many of its most stunning sights are just a stroll away from each other. Picture yourself wandering along the River Thames, taking in the breathtaking views of the London Eye and Big Ben, or meandering through the charming streets of Covent Garden, where street performers bring the atmosphere to life. Don't miss out on the free attractions. The British Museum, the National Gallery, and the Tate Modern offer incredible art and history without any admission fees. You can spend hours marveling at world-renowned exhibits, all while keeping your wallet happy. And if you're looking for a bite to eat, there are plenty of affordable options. Grab a delicious meal from one of the many food markets, like Borough Market or Brick Lane, where you can savour diverse cuisines without overspending. As the day winds down, take advantage of London's parks. Places like Hyde Park and Regent's Park are perfect for a relaxing evening stroll or a peaceful picnic. It's a wonderful way to unwind and reflect on your day of exploration. So, there you have it. With just £5.25, you can unlock the magic of London and create unforgettable memories. I hope you feel inspired to embark on this adventure. If you enjoyed this guide, please consider subscribing for more travel tips and inspiration. Thank you for joining me today, and happy travels!